Got an idea that you think could be something bigger?
Like needing access to funding bigger? Coaching or workshops? You might want to spend 61 seconds with me checking out the Bond Transformer program. Come on, time's ticking. It doesn't matter what you study. The Transformer program is free and open to all Bond students. There's weekly Transformer Plus workshops, like how to develop an app or pitching for success. You also get one-on-one access to an expert coach to help bring your ideas to life and support you throughout your entrepreneurial journey. You could even win your share of $100,000 of seed funding from Bond. There's tons of successful students and alumni whose businesses you might be using right now, all thanks to the Transformer program.